in the olden days, they used to write with them like pencils. It's cool, isn't it? Can you see on this rock? Yeah? Yeah, so he looks like a flat-headed rock, and he's there, like, slightly light brown.
You mean him?
Yes. So that's a sea snail. And then if you come around here,
she's gonna show you some more.
this is a sea cucumber. Now, does it look like anything that you might eat?
No.
Doesn't look like a chocolate chip cookie.
I saw a crab on the rock.
Yeah, there's a crab sitting on top of the rock over there as well. And what they do is they clean the sand like your Hoover or a Roomba at home. They suck it in, filter it and clean it, and then spit it back out. So that's how they keep it clean. It's cool, eh?
And these are all in the Sarasota Bay.
Hold on. Yeah.
Come on.
Bite. Look at him. Look up.
Oh, we're watching the crab
Like a potato
eat.
chip to
Oh,
him.
look at he's eating. Look at how cute. Cece, scoot back so I don't get your reflection. Look at him eat. Look at how funny.
You want to try it? Come here. Come on to me. Come to me. You scared? Come on.
Oh, good job, buddy.
Scared? Not a vegetable though.
When it tastes good.
Yeah. A couple shrimp in that container.
Ooh, some shrimps. Gotta find the shrimp.
I see
Oh,
one.
I see one.
I see one down this way.
Whale! Hey, the same one?
Let's see if he moves away. Yep, he's gonna move towards you. There's two. Here they come. There they are.
Whale!
Cool.
Urchins. If you put your pinky finger up against its body, the spines will close on it.
Oh,
it's
going to capture you.
Yeah, it thinks it's a piece of food. You can try it if you want with any of those urchins.
Okay.
Try your pinky finger.
There's one there and there for you.
Is he closing on you?
A bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Thinks he's got a meal.
Right. Thinks you're a cucumber.
Yeah. No, it's not a great white. Here, turn around. Turn around.
Good job, Ella. Hold on, Ephraim, slow down.
What a clown! I got one. I got it.
Ooh, Ella's gonna reach out. Oh boy, here they come. Oh, good job, Ella. Stay up here, Ephraim.
Keep moving.
Do this guy.
Let's touch him. I need to touch him.
Okay, sharp. There you go. Touch him. Good for you.
Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. That's good.
He feels slimy.
Yeah, he does. Good job, Ella.
Go ahead.
Put
Head
it
him.
on his back.
Head him.
On his back.
All the way down. There you go. All the way down. Looks like they all try to take cover when they can.
This is their
Good job, Ella.
They're very, there's no rivalries in it. So, sometimes they're out, sometimes they'll jump out, but they go for it. Now don't reach in front of him.
Not yet. Sierra, not yet.
Okay, let him go first. He's been waving. Got one of those two big dots, darling. Too big one.
Yep, there you go.
Okay, move your hand, move your hand, move your hand. So we don't want hands in front.
Ding dong, pull your hand back if
Yeah,
you
when
see
there's a
another one
mouth
coming.
around, you move your hand.
Good job,
Just in
Sierra.
case.
He's trying to hit the piece out of the middle.
Is that hard to control?
Yeah.
You gotta guess what the animal sound is, huh?
Uh-huh. And the dolphin.
That's right. A bottlenose dolphin.
Hey, it's us, the
Good
Kratts brothers.
job.
Ada Gourmand and Paisley are putting some animals in danger. As you go through the exhibit, look out for things you can do to help us stop them. Some animal creature powers are the key. Remember the animals whose powers helped with the rescue and come back here for a special message from us.
You gotta read what it says, buddy.
I don't know. What is this?
Push them in again. All right, Ephraim's gonna scan his
Look.
drawing, and then it's gonna be added to the ocean.
It is.
Okay, hold on, watch this.
Done.
So we do that, and then this is his drawing, and we're gonna put it upside down right here, and then watch what they do. They turned it into a cartoon. Isn't that cool? And then now we're gonna see it up here, and there's his right there. Isn't that cool? That's his little drawing. scan it. Okay, and then it just recorded it, and now it's turning it into a cartoon. And now we're gonna see it pop up here into the ocean. And there it is. That's Ellis right there. There we go, that's her drawing right there. Sierra's drawing. All right, go ahead, let's turn it into a cartoon. Okay, oh, there it goes, it's scanning it. And now we're gonna see it come up here. Let's see if we can find it up here. Okay, it's both of those because we scanned it twice. So those are Sierra's right there. Good job, Sierra.
Fantastic. They need big jaws because they eat shellfish in the wild. So imagine if the jaws are powerful enough to crush a conch, which they are, they could ruin the big.
They go swim.
Yay!
Another one.
Sea otter.
Oh,
Oh, there it goes.